Understanding laundry sheets, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common household term, laundry sheets. Whether you're doing laundry for the first time or just curious about English terminology, this video is for you. Let's dive into what laundry sheets are and how they are used. Laundry sheets are a modern alternative to traditional laundry detergents. Unlike liquid or powder detergents, laundry sheets are thin, biodegradable strips that dissolve in water. They are pre-measured, making them convenient and easy to use. These sheets are known for being environmentally friendly and take up less space in your cupboard. One of the main advantages of laundry sheets is their convenience. They're lightweight, spill-proof, and easy to transport, making them ideal for travel or small living spaces. Additionally, they are often free from harsh chemicals, which is beneficial for people with sensitive skin. Using laundry sheets is simple. Just place a sheet in your washing machine drum before adding your clothes. The sheet will dissolve in water, releasing the detergent. It's important to follow the instructions on the package, as some brands may have specific guidelines. Laundry sheets are gaining popularity due to their minimal environmental impact. They typically have less packaging than liquid detergents and are free from plastic containers. This reduction in packaging helps in decreasing waste and conserving resources. You can find laundry sheets in various scents and formulas, catering to different needs like whitening or color protection. They are available in most supermarkets and online stores. However, they might be slightly more expensive than traditional detergents. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding what laundry sheets are and how they can be a convenient and eco-friendly option for your laundry needs. Remember, embracing new products like laundry sheets can make a small yet significant impact on our environment. Happy laundering!